One Step Past presents One Step Past. Richard Chamberlain died on March 29th, 2025, at the age of 90. He was one of those actors that your mother or grandmother really liked. Richard was in some stuff that dudes could watch, but he generally did shows for the ladies, like the Dr. Kildare TV series and the two Thorn miniseries. I remember passing through the room when my mom watched the Thornbirds. Depressed the heck out of me. But then he did cool stuff, like the original Bourne Identity and King Solomon's Mines, so he redeemed himself. Share your memories of this person in the comments below.